Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by to watch. Today, as you can see, we are making Akidi, which is one of our favorites in this house. So today I'm going to be sharing this recipe with you. If you want to know how to make this delicious recipe, stay till the end of this video. So this is my Akidi, guys. I'm going to show you this recipe. In case you haven't tried it with cocoyam, you're going to see the end results. You can do this with yam, you can do it with cocoyam, yeah. You can do it either way. So I'm going to do this and let you see the outcome. This is always a very delicious delicacy, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy this, especially with the special of cocoyam I'm using. Let me show you the cocoyam. So if you know this cocoyam, drop on the comment section, because this is the cocoyam I'm using. So we're going to be using about 4 of them. Yeah, this is the cocoyam I'm using. If you know this cocoyam, drop. I'm trying to see if I can plant this cocoyam, but honestly, I don't know. For some reason, they are telling me that it will not grow. But guys, let's try. Let's try and plant this and see what happens in next season. I'm sure God will do miracles as he always does. And you need a lot of onion. I'm still going to add some onion. I'm going to clean this cocoyam and just throw it in the pot to start cooking. And I'll go ahead and start cooking my Akidi. Stay tuned. I have curry for Akidi, guys. Make sure you wash your produce very, very well before you put in the pot. I've gone ahead to wash this very well. I'll allow this to boil out, then I'll sieve it and then start cooking it. That is when I'll add my onion, my salt for taste. Okay? I just want to show you the inside of this cocoyam. It's so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and slice them into little pieces and throw it in the pot. Okay? I just want to show you this beauty. I have parboiled my beans. This is my beans clean and nice in the pot. I'm going to add hot water, which have been boiling, so it can start cooking quickly. Always do this, it will help you get your beans cooked quickly. Let's add our water. Add some salt to taste. For your beans, you need to add some salt to taste. Add some onion. Onions will enable your beans to come out tastier and delicious, and it will cook very fast. Try this and come back to say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen. This is our cocoyam. I'll allow it to cook nicely, and then we add it to the beans as soon as it's cooked. Stay tuned. This is my pan. I'm going to toast the oil and the uwa and all the peppers. So in this recipe, I'm adding okpei. You can choose not to. And I'm going to add just this few pieces of peppers. I'm going to blend okpei, onion, red onion, yellow onion, and some peppers. I'll blend all of this together so we can start making our sauce for this very deliciousness. This is my oil. I allowed it to toast for 60 seconds. And this is my onion. I'm going to add it. If you like, you can add more. I'm still going to add more onion, but let me add this first and see. I think I'm going to add more. This recipe calls for a lot of onion. So here's my onion. I'm going to add more. I'm going to add more onion. You can choose to add more onion. At this point, you can choose not to. We need a lot of onion in this recipe. You can add vegetables, you can choose not to. I'll see if I'll add vegetables, but honestly, this is sumptuous. Sumptuous. I just added a little bit of peppers here. Ordinarily, I would have added more, but because of now, I'm not going to be eating too much peppers, okay? 6 months, that's what the doctor gave me. 6 months before I can be eating pepper like real pepper, the way I like to. So what I have in this bowl is my okpei, my onion, and then my little peppers. We're going to add this. We're not about to waste time, guys. This is our oil bean. I'm going to go ahead and add it. This is so good, guys. Guys. This is live. This is my oil bean. It's fresh from Nigeria. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add Maggi. I'm going to add onion. So let's add our onion. You can add onion. You can choose not to. But what is this deliciousness without onion? I'm going to add this. This is from my blender. At this point, you can add your onion. You can add your Maggi seasoning. You can add your salt and allow it to get to know each other. Our sauce is ready for this beans recipe. This is healthy and delicious. Look at that. Just yum. No Maggi. Just going to add one. You can add depending on your pot. Like depending on the quantity, you can add to your preference. We're going to stir this together, and then we are ready. I don't want my onion to be too soggy. I want to really enjoy it. Look at that. Oh goodness, this is so good. I'm going to add this together with the beans and the cocoyam. Oh my goodness, just watch it. Our cocoyam is well cooked. I'm going to separate the big ones from the small ones. So I'm going to bring out some for eating of the cocoyam like that. I'm showing you two different ways you can eat this. Our akidi is well cooked, very, very, very well cooked. So beautiful. I'm going to add it to my cocoyam. You can either use yam or you use your akidi, remember. This is the most delicious. Oh, guys, I'm about to enjoy my life for real. Like, I'm just wondering, what can I eat that is so different from the regular thing, you know, the regular jollof, the regular beans and plantain. Let me do something very unique, spectacular, delicacy, so you guys can see. So this is the cocoyam. I'm going to show you when I'm eating this cocoyam with that sauce. You can add fish to that sauce. I'll show you when I'm eating this cocoyam. This is elders meal. Elders. This food is for the elders. It's not for small children. Do you know you can add fish? I have this on my channel though. I have it on my channel where I added fishes and all of that. It's a great meal. Very great meal. You can't get it anyhow. It's not in Kroger. It's not in Walmart. It's not even in Publix. It's not in Food Lion. It's not anywhere around these stores. But you can get it from Gucci's Kitchen. So make your orders. Book. So here's our sauce. Add it in. Woo, voila. Guys, look at that. Woo, this is so good. Mix this together. You can add more oil if you want, but there's enough oil for us.
I want you to be able to see this well.
What do you think about this? What do you think about this recipe? This is the porridge one. Tell me which one is your favorite. On Abba. It dey enter well, guys. On Abba. On Abba. On Abba. Guys, let me show you my mouth.